Did you know that over 30% of people over 50 experience poor circulation in their legs without realizing it? That's a huge number. And even more alarming, many of them don't even feel the early warning signs until it's too late. The truth is, what starts as tired legs, slight swelling, or occasional cramps could be a signal of something more serious. If your legs feel heavy, achy, or numb, especially at night or after standing too long, it could be a red flag. You might think it's just aging or a long day, but in reality, it could be poor blood circulation, inflamed veins, or even the early stage of nerve damage. And here's the terrifying part. When circulation gets worse, oxygen doesn't reach your legs properly. That means tissues start to starve, muscles don't recover, pain increases, and over time, your legs may feel colder, weaker, and more restless, even when you're lying down. Some people even start noticing color changes in their skin or visible veins bulging out. If that happens, you could be dealing with varicose veins or something much worse, like deep vein thrombosis. That's a blood clot forming in your leg veins. If it travels to your lungs or heart, it can be life-threatening. But before you panic, let me tell you something important. There's a simple, natural, and effective way to stop this from happening. In fact, this solution has been used for hundreds of years in traditional healing and is now being backed by modern science. It doesn't involve expensive surgery or complicated devices. It's not a painkiller that hides the symptoms. It's something so simple that most people have it in their homes, but never think to use it for their legs. What is it? Castor oil. Yes, castor oil. Not for your hair, not just for constipation, but for your legs. When applied correctly, castor oil can improve blood flow, reduce swelling, and relieve leg pain in just 3 days. Sounds unbelievable? Keep listening, because we're going to break it down step by step. Castor oil contains a special compound called ricinoleic acid. According to studies published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology and Pharmacognosy Reviews, ricinoleic acid has strong anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. When massaged onto the skin, it penetrates deep into tissues, helping to reduce inflammation in blood vessels and nerve endings. That's why people who use it on their legs often say they feel lighter, warmer, and more relaxed within just a few days. It doesn't just treat the surface. It works deep inside your legs where the real problems start. Castor oil also promotes lymphatic drainage. That's the system in your body that flushes out waste and toxins. When the lymph system gets stuck, your legs swell, but castor oil helps it flow again. That means less puffiness around the ankles, reduced fluid retention, and a detox effect on your legs. In simple words, it gets your legs moving again from the inside out. So, how do you actually use it? Well, it's simple. You don't need any fancy equipment at all. You just need pure cold-pressed castor oil. That's important. Make sure it's organic and hexane-free. To start, warm up 2 tablespoons of the oil. Not boiling hot. Just comfortably warm, you know. Then sit down, clean your legs with warm water, and pat them dry. This helps open up the pores for better absorption. Now start massaging the oil onto your legs. Begin at your feet and move upwards toward your thighs. Use gentle but firm circular motions. Spend at least 10 minutes per leg. And, focus on areas where you feel tension, soreness, or swelling. Once the oil is applied, wrap your legs with a soft, warm towel or cotton cloth. You can use a heating pad or warm water bottle if you want extra relief. Now lie down and elevate your legs using a pillow. This helps gravity assist the blood flow back toward your heart. Relax for 20 to 30 minutes. Some people even leave the oil on overnight for maximum benefit. Repeat this every evening for at least 3 days. Most people report significant improvements by the 3rd day. Swelling goes down, pain eases, tingling reduces, and their legs feel lighter and more alive. But that's not all. Castor oil also improves the condition of your skin. If you have dry, flaky, or discolored skin on your legs, the oil nourishes it deeply. Over time, your skin looks healthier, smoother, and more elastic. That's a bonus benefit. Now you might be wondering, who can try this? This remedy is perfect for seniors who have poor circulation, varicose veins, arthritis in the knees, or diabetes-related numbness. It's also great for people who sit or stand for long periods, like drivers, office workers, teachers, or caregivers. Pregnant women often use castor oil on their swollen legs and feet under medical supervision, and athletes use it to recover faster from muscle fatigue. But like with any remedy, there are a few precautions. If you have open wounds, rashes, or leg infections, don't apply oil directly, and always do a small patch test to make sure your skin doesn't react. If you're pregnant or on blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. But for most people, castor oil is completely safe and gentle. Now let's talk about what makes it different from other oils. Coconut oil is good for the skin, but it doesn't go deep. Olive oil has healthy fats, but it's not as anti-inflammatory. Essential oils like peppermint or cypress are great too, but they work better when mixed with a carrier oil. Castor oil stands out because it acts as both a healing oil and a carrier. You can mix it with a few drops of lavender rosemary or black seed oil for extra benefits. Lavender relaxes nerves. Rosemary boosts circulation. Black seed oil reduces nerve pain. But even if you use plain castor oil, you'll still see results. Another amazing thing, castor oil improves sleep when used in this way. Many people who suffer from restless legs or night cramps notice they sleep better after massaging the oil. That's because it calms the nervous system. It also relaxes tight muscles, especially around the calves and thighs. And sleep is crucial for healing. The body repairs damaged tissues while you rest. So, this routine not only fixes your legs, it improves your sleep too. That's a powerful two-in-one benefit. Let's not forget how affordable this is. A single bottle of castor oil costs less than a meal at a restaurant, and it lasts for weeks. Compare that to expensive creams, doctor visits, or compression stockings. This is not just effective, it's budget-friendly. And the best part? You're not covering the pain. You're actually fixing the root cause. You're improving blood flow. You're reducing inflammation. You're healing your body from the outside and the inside. And that's what makes it powerful. So if your legs feel tired, swollen, heavy, cold, painful, or just off, listen to what your body is trying to say. Don't ignore it. The longer you wait, the worse it can get. But now you know there's a solution. A natural, simple, and effective one. Castor oil may not look like much, but when used the right way, it can transform your legs and your life. In just 3 days, you could start walking easier, feeling lighter, and sleeping better. All because you gave your legs what they've been needing all along: care, circulation, and nourishment. And once you experience that change, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. You don't need to suffer. You don't need to accept pain as a normal part of aging. Your legs carry you every single day. It's time you take care of them too. Apply this oil. Try it for just 3 days. Let your body show you what it can do when you give it the right tools. And once you see the results, don't stop. Make it part of your daily or weekly routine. Because healing doesn't happen by chance. It happens by choice. And today, you have that choice. Start now. And let your legs thank you. Now that you know the power of castor oil and how it can transform your legs from the outside, let's go deeper and explore what you can do from the inside to make the results even better. Because while applying oil improves blood flow and reduces swelling on the surface, your real strength comes from what's happening inside your body. And yes, your lifestyle, your food, your movement habits, and your daily choices all decide how healthy your legs will feel, especially after 50. Most people don't know this, but your legs are like a mirror. They reflect what's going on in your blood, your nerves, and your heart. If blood flow is weak, your legs feel tired. If your nerves are inflamed, you'll feel tingling or numbness. If your diet is full of salt and sugar, your legs swell up. That's why taking care of your legs means taking care of your whole body. Let's begin with food. Certain foods naturally increase blood flow, relax the blood vessels, and reduce inflammation. For example, beets are rich in nitrates. When you eat them, your body turns those nitrates into nitric oxide. This chemical opens up blood vessels, making it easier for blood to reach your legs. You can eat roasted beets or drink beet juice every morning. Just half a cup a day is enough to start seeing results in a week. Next, garlic. Yes, raw garlic. It may not smell great, but it's amazing for circulation. Garlic reduces blood pressure, prevents the hardening of arteries, and thins the blood naturally. That means your blood can move freely without clots. Try 1 clove daily, chopped and eaten raw, followed by water. Another powerful food is turmeric. It contains curcumin, which is a natural anti-inflammatory. When you mix turmeric with black pepper and warm water, it helps reduce pain in joints, improve blood vessel function, and even protect nerves. Drink this mix every night before bed. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also important. They're rich in magnesium, which relaxes your muscles and your blood vessels. Low magnesium is one of the main reasons for nighttime leg cramps. Eating greens daily helps you avoid this. Don't forget pomegranate. This fruit is filled with antioxidants that help clean your blood vessels and improve how oxygen flows to your legs. Drink fresh juice or eat the seeds. It tastes great and heals your legs from within. These are found in chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and make your blood thinner and smoother, which is exactly what you need if your legs feel heavy or swollen. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds a day can be a game changer. And finally, watermelon. It hydrates you and contains L-citrulline, a compound that boosts nitric oxide levels in your body. That opens your arteries and reduces pressure in your veins. Add these foods into your daily routine. But what about drinks? Hydration is just as important. You know, many people feel leg pain simply because they're dehydrated. When you don't drink enough water, your blood thickens, moves slower, and your legs feel heavier. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It helps flush out toxins and supports healthy veins. Lemon has vitamin C, which strengthens vein walls. Then, try ginger tea. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and helps thin the blood. Boil fresh ginger slices in water and drink 2 to 3 times a day. It will help with swelling and pain. Cayenne contains capsaicin, which stimulates circulation. Just a pinch in lemon tea once a day can warm up your legs and improve blood flow. Be careful not to overdo it. It's strong. Now, let's talk about the habits that may be secretly damaging your legs every single day. The first one is sitting for long periods. Whether at a desk, watching TV, or in a car, sitting too long slows down your circulation. It allows blood to pool in the lower part of your body, especially your legs. This causes swelling and can even lead to blood clots over time. To fix this, stand up and walk around for at least 2 minutes every 30 minutes. It sounds small, but it makes a big difference. Second is crossing your legs while sitting. This restricts blood flow, especially if you do it for hours. Try to sit with both feet flat on the floor, or better yet, keep your legs elevated when possible. Elevating your legs above heart level for just 15 minutes a day can reduce swelling and help your veins recover. The third bad habit is wearing tight socks, shoes, or pants. These items may look good, but they squeeze your veins and block circulation. Instead, wear loose, comfortable clothes and breathable footwear. Give your legs space to breathe. Fourth, smoking or being around smoke. Tobacco damages your blood vessels, narrows them, and reduces oxygen delivery to your legs. Even second-hand smoke can have the same effect. If you smoke, quit. If someone around you smokes, avoid it as much as possible. It's not just about the lungs. Your legs suffer too. Fifth, skipping water. If you're not drinking enough, your blood becomes thick. Thick blood flows slowly and increases pressure in your veins. That leads to swelling, cramps, and heaviness. Make sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily. More if it's hot or if you're active. Now, let's add in some movement. You don't need to run or lift weights. Just a few easy exercises at home can boost your leg health. Start with ankle circles. While sitting or lying down, lift one foot and rotate the ankle 20 times in one direction, and then 20 in the other. Do both feet. This keeps the blood flowing. Then try heel raises. Stand behind a chair, lift your heels, hold for 3 seconds, and slowly lower. Repeat 15 to 20 times. This strengthens your calves and pumps blood back to the heart. Leg elevation is next. Simply lie down and place a few pillows under your legs so they're above heart level. Do this twice a day for 10 to 15 minutes. It drains the pooled blood and reduces pressure in the veins. Toe tapping is great too. While sitting, tap your toes up and down rapidly for a few minutes. It helps prevent cramping and keeps muscles engaged. Lastly, walk. Walk inside your house if you can't go out. Walk slowly, gently, but consistently. Movement is medicine for your legs, and if you want to go a step further, consider natural supplements. But always check with your doctor first. Diosmin and hesperidin are compounds found in citrus peels that improve vein tone and reduce swelling. They're often used in Europe to treat varicose veins. Horse chestnut extract reduces pain and inflammation in leg veins. Magnesium helps prevent cramps and supports healthy muscle function. Vitamin E improves circulation and elasticity in veins. Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, gives your leg muscles the energy they need and also supports heart function. These supplements don't replace lifestyle changes, but they can speed up recovery and boost results when combined with castor oil therapy. So, how do you put it all together into a daily routine? Let me show you a simple plan. In the morning, start with warm lemon water, followed by a 5-minute gentle walk inside your house. Have a breakfast that includes leafy greens or a fruit like pomegranate. Drink water throughout the day. Add flaxseed or chia seeds to your lunch. Avoid processed, salty foods. In the afternoon, do ankle circles or heel raises while sitting. In the evening, apply warm castor oil to your legs. Massage it slowly. Wrap your legs in a cloth. Elevate them while resting. Drink a cup of turmeric or ginger tea before bed. Follow this routine consistently. In just 3 days, your legs will feel different. In 1 week, you'll notice less swelling, better sleep, and more energy in your legs. In 1 month, you may feel stronger, walk longer, and even look younger. But here's the key. Don't stop after 3 days. Keep going. Make it a habit. Your legs carry you every day of your life. They support you. They help you move, dance, walk, travel, live. It's time to return the favor. Don't wait for pain to become unbearable. Don't let poor circulation steal your freedom. Don't allow swelling, numbness, or fatigue to become your new normal. You have the solution. It starts with one oil, one massage, one choice, one commitment. And once you feel the power of blood flowing freely again, of muscles relaxing, of skin healing, of pain fading, you'll know you made the right decision. So start today. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Today. Apply the oil. Elevate your legs. Drink the tea. Eat the foods. Move a little. And let the healing begin. Because the truth is, your body wants to heal. You just have to help it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like it. Share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more natural healing tips, especially designed for seniors and anyone looking to live pain-free. Comment below and let us know. Did castor oil help your legs? We'd love to hear your experience. And remember, your legs are not the problem. Your lifestyle is the solution. Make the change. See the results. And never settle for discomfort again. You deserve to walk strong and free at any age.